Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market in the second video as usual. So in general, in the gold market we see the same situation, very similar picture to Forex market. The price action holds well the recent lows and stubbornly stands above it. Despite the very good non-farm payrolls numbers, gold market has not shown the new lows and has not shown the deeper retracement. It still stubbornly stands above the C point, above the 1190 area, which is our crucial level for short-term perspective, as we have talked about it in the last week and in this week as well. The major difference between the gold and Forex market right now is that Forex market shows a bit brighter upward action, so it's a bit stronger. It shows the better thrusting signs than on the gold market. In the gold market, it's trying to push from this from this level, trying to jump up, but it hasn't been completed yet, and it's really some heaviness in the gold market exists. Still, we don't have reasons yet to say that we'll see definitely another leg down before our prediction will continue, because currently market still holds the important lows. On the daily chart, I have plotted the ABCD pattern. It's approximately the action that I expect. So it leads us right to the major conference resistance on the daily, 1238, 1250 approximately, and also that is the 30% retracement of the weekly charts. Really normal response on the weekly oversold. So it's not really a big retracement, just 30%. It's absolutely normal. So on the daily, we also do not have yet any grabbers. Market hasn't tested the MACD predictor line, so nothing really new stands on the daily. What we have on the intraday charts? On the intraday charts, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the triangle, guys. So now it's really easy to recognize it. It's very similar to Euro currency, but on the Euro currency we have the descending triangle. Here we have symmetrical triangle. I have pointed by 2 points in the ellipses, so in the circles. First one is a very important lows. This OP of the ABCD pattern. Here we also talked about Gartner's triple to buy. If you remember, this upward action has been re-established. This is also important lows from the perspective of the immediate upward continuation. So as you can see, market stands very well with the lower border of this triangle. So that's why currently we do not have any reasons to talk that probably we will see downward continuation. And these lows is very important from that standpoint. So if market somehow will drop the triangle and drop below the 1190s, it will tell us that we are going to the XOP, so 1180. That's the major event that we should keep an eye on, because this will be the crucial price behavior that will change the short-term price action. Until market stands above the 1190 and stands inside the triangle, it gives chance on the immediate upward continuation. That's very important. Here another circle, guys, I have made just to give you the hint on the possible bearish grabber. If it will be formed, market will have to drop below these lows. But currently, as you can see, market starts upward continuation, and maybe we will not get any grabber, but still, since this candle hasn't closed yet, just pay attention to that, because it could be important for this time frame, and maybe it could become another leg down here, or could be a decisive moment here. So just do not ignore this moment. On the hourly chart, it's really very interesting combination of the different harmonic patterns, guys. We have 4 patterns here is developing. In yesterday's video in the weekend, we have talked about this market has completed this A, B, C, D pattern, OP down, and it has given us this Gartner's triple to buy large pattern. This is the left wing of this pattern, this is the right wing of this pattern, guys. I just can't put all triangles on the chart, that you will not understand anything. So I just put some of them. This is the first pattern. Two other patterns, guys. We have the two butterflies that was finished in the same point right here. That's why it's actually 1190 is very important. We have these large butterflies, 1618 extension, and we have minor butterfly here, as you can see from this top. It's left wing of the butterfly, and this is right wing. It's 127 extension. Both together, these butterflies creates the three drive buy pattern, guys. This is the first drive, retracement second drive, which is 127 of the large butterfly, and the third drive. That's combination of the 1618 of the large of the second drive and 127 of the small butterflies, which is the third drive. The minimum target of this pattern, guys, so just amazing. It's a lot of patterns in just a very tight time frame. The minimum target is the top between the second and third drive. This top stands right here. And you can see that the ABCD pattern that's developing right now stands 12 even, very close to the minimum target of this pattern. Although we're waiting actually for upward continuation here, but let's focus first at least on this minor targets. The market will reach at least the top between the second and third drive and complete the minor third drive pattern. So at the same time, with the moving here, it will be more than a 30% retracement on the Gartner's triple to buy, and it also will complete this ABCD Gartner's triple to buy pattern, this large pattern. So whether the upward direction will continue or not, we will not talk about it right now, although we hope that will follow, because today in the Eurocurrency discussions suggest that probably it could happen. But let's go first complete at least the minor target. So guys, if you have taken the long position here, as we said, or here on a retracement, as we have talked about it recently, just keep it. The 12 even target probably will be reached. Now you could even move your stops to the break even and watch what will happen in the nearest future. After that, we will take a look how price action will develop. If it will be really fast, straight upward action, this will tell us that market is going to the large ABCD pattern to the upside. So we have the lots of multiple patterns. So first is our major ABCD on here on the daily. It also could be some butterfly here to the upside. It could be small A, B, C bottom D pattern first. This also we'll be watching for. But currently, let's focus just on the 12 even target. So let's see what will happen next, depending on how the situation will develop. So I don't call you to take the whole profit and close the totally long position here, but be prepared, move your stop to the break even. Maybe the taking on the half profit here, it's not the bad decision. So let's see, as usual, what the progress will be here in the gold market.